warm welcome to you from St. Christopher's School. The children are all primed, they're ready to go. Now last week we had a lovely trip to the beach. Went up to the Badea beach and we got to see sea creatures and they built sandcastles and we had an awful lot of fun. And the children have been learning all about the oceans and protecting the ocean, looking after the ocean, and we had a look at pollution that may have crept into the sea as well. So on the back of that, they've been doing lots of work in class and they've put together this little play for us today. So they're all set. Now we've got some pirates in the crowd on the stage today. So make sure your valuables are safe, please, because we know pirates like to collect treasure, don't they? So they were all ready to start this morning. Have you brought your big voices with the children?
Yeah!
Sorry, your big voices?
Yeah!
Right, I think they're ready to go. I'm going to hand over now to Miss Mack in the music department. Thank you very much.
I'd like to introduce you to a wonderful pirate crew. We are the fiercest pirates ever! We never change our socks, so no, it's part of the pirate code. We want to be proper pirates when we're sailing round the globe. Following the code, yo-ho-ho. It's the rules, it's what we know. Following the code, yo-ho-ho. Following the pirate code, arr! Following the pirate code, arr! We never change our seats, so no, it's part of the pirate code. We like to be quite laid back and simply go with the flow. Following the code, yo-ho-ho, it's the rules, it's what we know. Following the code, yo-ho-ho, following the pirate code, arr! Following the pirate code, arr! Do what the pirate tells you to, it's part of the pirate code. Or you will accept her temper and she'll send you down below. Following the code, yo-ho-ho, it's the rules, it's what we know. Following the code, yo-ho-ho, following the pirate code, arr! Following the pirate code, arr! Well, landlubbers, the day has come. After much merriment down the Jolly Jellyfish, we have finally set to the high seas. But our ship is just a little different than a normal one. Everything aboard the Plastic Pearl is made of plastic. The crew's shoes, boots, coats, patches, peg legs, captain hat, and the latest hook. We don't have for gold and treasure, although we want plastic and lots of it. We don't need the plastic anymore, we just throw it overboard. It's great! We adore it, nothing without it. It's amazing, we're a racing plastic. We just love it, nothing's above it. So if you're passing by, it's not yours to reason why. Give us your plastic. Let me take you to the Olga Octopus Deep Sea Hospital, where things are particularly busy today. What are we gonna do if we don't keep all this plastic in our ocean? We'll be in real trouble. My Shannon's default because I got stuck in a plastic ring. I almost choked in a plastic bag last week. Next time I might not be so lucky. My tummy ache is getting worse and worse anymore. My feelings and I'll be a boy. It's the same old thing, I'm afraid. Plastic. See what the mountain of plastic is doing to our health service. We're living in a plastic suit, from bottles to welly boots. We don't know what to do. It's getting beyond the joke, that's true. Suit, we're living in a suit. We're living in a plastic suit. We need to have a plan right now and find a way to somehow gather around, have a think before it gets beyond the brink. Suit, we're living in a suit. We're living in a plastic suit. We're living in a plastic suit. From bottles to welly boots. We don't know what to do. It's getting beyond the joke, that's true. Suit, we're living in a suit. We're living in a plastic suit. We need to talk with the pirates. I'm sure they would change their tune if they realized how many problems their plastic booty is causing us. Let's go and speak to them. Excuse me, pirates, can we have a moment of your time? Please help us, we don't like all this plastic. It is so dangerous! Stop it. It is making us ill. Please stop throwing all that plastic in the sea. Help, we're desperate. We don't care. We love plastic, go away. We need a minute of our time to listen. Plastic is hurting the sea creatures and making them ill. Oh dear, we don't want to hurt any sea creatures. Maybe better not do so much. We better stop throwing all that plastic in the ocean. We can just use the plastic that we need. Yes, I suppose I don't really have to replace all my jewelry every week. And I threw 3 buckets overboard last week, even though they're perfectly alright. What about the messages in the bottles? I suppose we could just send emails. And we could use refillable cups to drink from. We could use rucksacks and bags for life instead of plastic bags. What about all the plastic we already threw in? We could fish for it. We'll cast out the nets. We'll recycle the lot. Great idea. We can save the 7 seas. went back to plundering the gold and silver again and the plastic. Well, we recycled a lot. Take a look at our wonderful picture. Susie have been busy learning about ocean creatures. Did you know that dolphins are one of the smartest animals on Earth? We also created posters about sea pollution to make sure no more sea creatures get caught up in any more plastic. Please take a look at them after our assembly. Thank you for watching our assembly. And remember, recycle our plastic and save our sea creatures.
Susie, what a fantastic performance. You were amazing, guys. Can I just ask you all to stand up, please? Now, at the end of an amazing show like that, do you know what you have to do? You have to take a bite. So after three, we're going to take a bite and the audience will go wild, okay? 1, 2, 3.